What's up everyone and welcome back to today's video. So guys, in today's video we want to simply solve this nice radical math problem that says the root of 2 plus the root of x is equals to 2 and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys we want to do right here is to simply isolate the root of x. So doing that we have this to be the root of x is equal to 2 minus the root of 2. So the next thing guys we want to simply do right here is to square both sides. So we have this to be the root of x is equal to 2 minus the root of 2. So if we simply square both sides right here, now if we apply this property to the right hand side of this equation, that is if we have a minus b all square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus what b square. Okay, and we have that from the right hand side, a is equals to 2 and b is equal to the root of 2. So if we simply apply this property, so from here we have this to be, this is going to cancel out this, so we have that x is equal to, now applying this property we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 multiply 2 multiply the root of 2 plus the root of 2 or square. So we have that x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 minus 2 multiply 2 multiply the root of 2, we have this to be 4 root 2 plus, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 2. So x is equals to 4 plus 2 minus 4 root 2. So we have that x is equals to 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. So we have been able to find the value of x. So the next thing guys we want to do right here is to simply verify if our answer is actually correct. So to verify, we have the original question to be given as the root of 2 plus the root of x, and this is equals to 2, and we have the value of x. So from here we have this to be the root of 2 plus the root of, we have x to be 6 minus 4 root 2, and this is equals to what? 2. Alright, now we want to simply solve for the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2. So we want to assume that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to the root of a minus the root of b. So we want to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 all square is equal to the root of a minus the root of b all square. But the root of a minus the root of b all square is equal to a plus b minus 2 into the root of what? ab. And this is the property of nested radicals. So from here we can easily see that this is going to cancel out this. So we have 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to a plus b minus 2 root ab. So equating the rational and the irrational parts, we have this to be a plus b is equals to 6 and minus 2 into the root of ab is equal to minus 4 root 2 if we simply equate the rational and the irrational part. So we name this equation 1 and we name this equation 2. So we are going to say from equation 2 we have minus 2 into the root of ab is equal to minus 4 into the root of 2. So divide both sides by minus 2. So this is going to cancel out this. We have the root of ab is equal to this, cancel out this, 2 here 1, 2 into 4 is 2. So we have 2 into the root of 2. So we have to square both sides in order for us to have ab. So we have that this is going to cancel out this. So ab is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of 2 or raised to the power of 2. ab is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 multiply. This is going to cancel out this. We have this to be 2. So ab is equals to 8. So hence we have that from the equation we have a plus b is equals to 6, a plus b is equals to 6, and ab is equal to what? 8. So all we have to do is to apply the sum and product of the quadratic equation, and the sum and product of an quadratic equation states that we have this to be t squared minus a plus bt plus ab, and this is equals to 0. So we have t squared minus a plus b is 6t plus ab, which is 8, and this is equals to what? 0. So we want to simply factorize it. So factorizing this, we multiply the first and the last digit, which makes it 8t squared. So think of a number that when you multiply them, it will give you 8t squared, and when you subtract them, give you 60. We have that number to be minus 4t and what? Minus 2t. So if we do this, minus 4t multiply minus 2t is going to give us 8t squared, and minus 4t minus 2t is going to give us minus 60. So we have this to be t squared minus 4t minus 2t plus 8 is equals to 0. So if we factor out this first 2, we have t to be common, so we have t minus 4 to be left. If you factor out this, we have minus 2 to be common, and we have t minus 4 to be left, and this is equals to 0. So we have t minus 4 multiply t minus 2, and this is equals to 0. So t minus 4 is equals to 0, and t minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have that t is equals to 4 and t is equals to 2. So therefore we can say a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 2. But we want to simply recall, when solving for the root of 6 minus 4 root 2, we say let's assume that the root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equals to the root of a minus the root of b, right? So recall that the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to the root of a minus the root of b. So this is equal to the root of, we have a to be 4 minus the root of b, we have b to be 2. So this is equal to the root of 4 is 2 minus the root of 2. So we have been able to find the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2. So let's simply complete the solving to verify our answer. So we already know what the root of 6 minus 4 root 2 is. So let's simply solve from this part right here and impute the value for that right here. So from here, so hence we have this to be the root of 2 plus the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2, and this is equals to 2. So we have the root of 2 plus 2 minus the root of 2, which is the value of the square root of 6 minus 4 root 2, and this is equals to 2. So we have the root of 2 minus the root of 2 plus 2, and this is equals to 2. This will give us 0 plus 2, and this is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to 2. So the left hand side is equal to the what? The right hand side, and we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can easily solve this nice radical math problem, and with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.